Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin and Ethereum, show the technical analysis where I think I would open trades. I've been stacking Bitcoin, Uniswap, FXS, BNB, MCRT. That's what I'm going to stack as we come down for the bull market, which I expect to peak on October 2025 if we follow the 4-year bull market cycles with the Bitcoin halving. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin and Ethereum. I'm going to show you trades on leverage, and I'm going to show you my position, spot, and leverage. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technical, and the market quite flat on the weekend, very low volume on the weekend this weekend. No movement. SMR even, Doge slightly even, MCRT slightly even. No movement. It's like such a stable coin market after this Bitcoin drop. Even after this Bitcoin drop, it dropped down to 24,000 Bitcoin. You're seeing the price of Bitcoin over the 4 hourly. Each of these candles represent 4-hour period of time. You can see this was the drop that sent us from 29k, where I predicted, down to 25k was my target, but I actually went lower, 24k. We had this big bounce, and then we've just been ranging for the last three days between crazy, very little range, 26,400 and 25,700. So it's been about a $600 range the entire time, and you can see it's coming to a point here, Bitcoin, and coming to some movement coming up, which is interesting. Let's go on the daily. On the daily, we are now oversold. On the weekly, the stochastic is also now oversold. It's fully reset, the stochastic. We've come down to a major support area at 24k. You can see here from June last year, so almost 1 year, this area here has been a strong resistance, now turned to support. Let's see if we can hold the price. Let's go into the 4 hourly. Where I would take a long is still from this 24k. I mean, this pattern is a bear flag. Usually bounces like this, comes up, and then comes back down for a double bottom. But the ABC correction is now finished. So technically, we should start the next Elliott wave, impulse waves from here. On the 4 hourly, we're overbought, and on the hourly, we are overbought heading down. So it looks like we are going to drop again to this 24k. So from here, I'm currently in a Bitcoin long here. But this kind of looks like a bear flag, but it was an oversold liquidation event. So there should be some recovery here, but we're not getting much of a bounce at all. The best place to go long is at 24,000. This trade here, opening long at 24,171, stop loss 23,700, take profit 31k, risk to reward is 16, risking 450 to make 7,500 with no leverage, 10x leverage 75,000. But I'm not sure if I want to be shorting here. That's the only thing. I don't want to open a short here, even though I do think it has a high chance to come down here, maybe 70% chance, and then double bottom. I still don't want to be opening a short after such a big liquidation event. So many trades got closed. We could have some, but there's no real bounce on Bitcoin. So that's the long I would take. I would rather wait to see how it plays out and go long from here. To start the next Elliott impulse wave. So that's on Bitcoin. Again, the trade opens 24,218, stop loss 23,700, take profit 31k, 15 risk to reward ratio. If you want to trade Bitcoin, under this video in the description down below, go down below. If you've been losing money in the markets, if you want to learn how to set up your charts, if you don't know how to open trades, shorts, longs, spot positions on Bitcoin and cryptos, jamescryptoguru.com, and take the crypto master course. 2, trading over on Bybit. If you use this link, you get a $30,000 bonus when you trade using this Bybit link. And 3, join us in Telegram. There's nearly 9,000 of you trading together. The link's all down below in the description. 1, 2, 3. Then let's go into Ethereum. Ethereum 1682, also stable coining after this drop. It broke, both Bitcoin and Ethereum broke the 1-year trend lines. These orange trend lines, they smashed them. Ethereum came down to a strong support here, but the major area of support on Ethereum is 1,300. So it looks like we can get more of a drop here, actually. It knifed through all the supports, came down to this strong support. But again, I think there'll be a double bottom from here, from that strong support. So I'd go long again from that from Ethereum, strong support, trying to catch this bounce back to resistance. 5 risk to reward ratio. But again, I wouldn't short it just because after that liquidation event. This is the trade I would take on Ethereum. Risk to reward 11 times, opening at 1467, stop loss 1436, take profit 1840, 11 risk to reward ratio, 25% profit with no leverage, 10x leverage, 250%, 100x leverage, 2500%. That's the trade I would take over on Ethereum. And let's look at the total market cap of all cryptos, just sitting above 1 trillion. It also broke this 1-year trend line. These 1-year trend lines broken everywhere, which is showing a lot of weakness actually. Came down to major support on this 1 trillion area and then bounced 994 billion, then bounced off this 1 trillion. But again, it's showing weakness. Next major support, if this doesn't hold for the crypto market caps, is 930 billion, which will be not so nice if it continues to drop, but it is trying to hold here. Over on Bybit, I have $319,000 in this account. I didn't lose much on the drop, only a few $1,000s. I actually bought a lot on those positions. My Bitcoin trade, 2.3 Bitcoin, about $60,000 trade, is $1,300 in the profits. $319,000 in this account. I'm holding $70,000 worth of Bitcoin, 2.7 Bitcoin, $59,000 worth of Doge, $58,000 worth of Uniswap, no bounce on Uniswap, USDT 27,000, MCRT 25,000, FXS 13,000. FXS pulling back about 5%. Those are my thoughts on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and altcoins. And let's see, it looks like the market cap isn't going to hold. If we don't get a strong bounce here, looks like we'll be revisiting $900 billion market cap, going under the $1 trillion point, deep into the bear market. Thank you for watching. Let me know what are you buying in the markets right now. Tickers down below if you want me to analyze. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.